Zoom is one of the fastest growing video conferencing apps out there. It's easy to set up and host video calls. But in light of recent security and privacy concerns about Zoom, you might want to try a good Zoom alternative. It's worth noting that while all of these have free versions, some offer temporary access to additional features if you need them. The following list includes applications that allow you to participate without having to actually register for the app, though some may require the host to register. Cisco Webex. Up to 100 participants, unlimited time for each meeting, call in for audio. It does have a very good free version that's worth checking out, especially since it has expanded the features of the freemium version from 50 to 100 participants, removed of the 40-minute limit on meetings, and added call-in abilities. Skype Meet Now. Keep a recording of the call for up to 30 days, can blur the background if you have the app share presentations. Its Meet Now feature, which is accessed by choosing the Meet Now button on the left side of the app, offers free video conferencing. You can even head on over to the Skype website to create a free conference room, no app download required. Jitsi Meet. Up to 75 participants. Public or private chat. Can blur the background, in beta. Integrates with Slack, Google Calendar, and Office 365. It's worth noting that most people will be perfectly content with the web version, which offers many features found in more well-known apps, such as chat, screen sharing, and the ability to kick troublemakers. Google Hangouts. Up to 10 participants. Voice conversations can have up to 150 participants. Remember Google Hangouts? Well, despite not being promoted by Google, the service is still available and free to use. You can use Hangouts to video chat with up to 10 people. Google Meet. Up to 100 participants. Unlimited call time until September 30, 2020. To date, Google Meet has been limited to G Suite Enterprise customers, but now that has changed, as anybody with a Gmail account can now use it to talk to up to 100 participants. Microsoft Teams. Up to 250 participants. Can blur background. Microsoft Teams allows businesses to store all conversations, files, meetings, and apps in a shared workspace that you can easily access from your device. Teams lets you manage projects, face-to-face HD call. The app requires a paid commercial subscription to Office 365 or a free or trial subscription of Microsoft Teams. Talkie. Incredibly easy to set up. Does not require any registration. Up to 6 participants. Talkie is a dead simple video chat app that you can use to create a video call in a matter of seconds. It doesn't require any kind of registration to use, simply pick a name for your group and send out the link to your friends. The only potential negative is that it's limited to 6 people per call. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more news.